Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to delete your card of PS5. Firstly, navigate to the top right corner and select Settings on your PS5 interface. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Users and Accounts. Next, on the left-hand side, select the Account tab, then click on Payment and Subscriptions. Inside Payment and Subscriptions, select Payment Methods at the top of the menu. Now, to remove a saved payment option, hover over the payment method you want to delete. Press the Options button on your controller, then select Remove. And on the confirmation page, click Yes to confirm that you want to remove the payment method. The selected payment option will be permanently removed from your PS5 account. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.